Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about merging column to create new columns based on two scenarios in transform phase. First scenario, we merge columns and create new columns, one by right-clicking the selected columns and select merge. Here old columns are replaced by new created columns. Similar output we can achieve by clicking merge on transform ribbon. Example full name, which is created from first name, middle name, and last name, and in report we need to display full name only. Second scenario, where we merge columns and create new columns and keep the old columns along with new created columns. Example, by merging columns, we are going to create a unique column, which need to join with other table, but columns we use to join also needed in report fields. So here created columns and other columns all needed. Enough of theory. Let's head over to my laptop. If you like the video, click on thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest notification for new videos. Thank you.